Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today we're going to be trying something new with some customer supplied print ready artwork. What we're trying to accomplish here is streamlining the saving the print file as well as saving a proof for production to see. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to open up our artwork, which we already have open, and now we're going to add the bleed. So we're going to do Alt Control P, and we're going to set this to 1. Additionally, if you're doing a bunch of these, like this in particular is an MDO sign, you go ahead and click New or Control N, and you can set this to 1, and then every time you open up a new document, it's going to have that bleed. So anyway, what you're going to do now is go ahead and extend your background color to add the bleed. And now here's the big difference. What we're going to do now is rename the artboard. So this is the artboard tool there. If you don't have it, just go to Window and Artboards and it will pop up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change it. Normally I would say Artboard 1. So now we're going to change it to how we save files. And that's going to be 7402, which is the order, -02, which is the product, -1, which is the version, -0, which is the revision. Now we're going to do _P because this is a print file, _96 by 48, which is the size, _MDO, which is the substrate it's going on, _Casa Grande, which is the location of this sign, _Avison Young. And what you'll see is if we do a Shift O, you can see that the artboard name has changed. Okay, so this is really the big difference here is we're going to do a Control Alt E, which is going to be export for screens. What you're going to want to make sure that you have selected is all, include bleed. Then we're going to go ahead and change the destination folder. So since this is a print file, it's going into production. If it was still a working file, it would go in work files. So we're just going to go ahead and select production there. And we do not want to create subfolders. Make sure that's deselected. Also make sure that you have format selected. Oops. And the first thing that you're going to do is click on this little advanced settings cog here, and then go to PDF and make sure you've got press quality selected, and you only have to do this once. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that down here in formats we've got 1. For the suffix, this is going to be blank when you first get to the screen, so we're going to go ahead and write proof. So that's going to add proof to the end of the file. Or actually, I'm sorry, we'll do _proof and make sure we've got JPEG 100. Next, we're going to add scale, and we're going to go ahead and change this to a PDF. And we don't need any suffix on there, so that's fine. Next, all you got to do is hit Export Artboard, and now it should pop up here. Oops, that one was a previous one, so we'll delete that. That shouldn't have been in there. And now you've got your proof, and you've got your print file with bleed. So now for production's sake, all we do is just tab over here, and we're going to go to 7402, and we're going to drop in our proof. There we go, and set it into production.